Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. John Ardela Cruz. Jon space R dot or period space Dela space Cruz. Alright. Pang 15 days na yata natin alam ko around there 15 or 16 days. So ayan, it's May 11, 2024. Pang 15 or 16 days na natin. Nalos. Ayan, ito yung ating nirerentahan. Yan, hindi po akin yan. Nirerentahan ko lang. Nissan. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-drive ng Nissan kahit sa US. Pero malupit to, maganda. Nissan Mirage. Yan, pero yung ate ko noon yan, 2024, bagong-bago pa, 12,000 kilometers lang. And then, hinatid natin yung mga anak ko. So, we're mag-aalas 6 ng gabi, Philippine time. We're in Silang, Cavite. There you go. Welcome Silang. Ito, yan, mga pamangkin ni Sarah. So, nanatiling pamilya. Yan. Si JM at saka si Toto. Say hi. Hi, geng geng. Yan, eto. Pag gusto niya, ititrain ko siya. The next Manny Pacquiao. Yan. So, nandito kami sa humble na street food ni Kuya. Yan. Pangalan nga tayo, MFC Special Fried Chicken. There you go. Ayan. So, meron siyang wing, neck, back, leg, breast, half, at saka prito. Prito delicious yan. So, I gotta speak in English as well. Kasi, walang yan. Okay, sandali lang Yun lang dinala nilang buko. So, ayan, may mga tinda pa siyang lumpia. Shanghai, natikman ko na masarap. Dalawa sa akin. Babayaran ko naman to Kuha ka pa dun. Hindi na sabi mo.
Wala nang inom, ikaw lang. Hindi nga,
Kumuha ka pa nga, uhaw nga ako Ayoko na, tinikman mo na yun Ayan. So, ito yung likod ng kotse natin, yung Mirage. Hindi po sa akin to, sa tropa nating taga Villamor Air Force. Yan. So, nirerentahan lang natin siya. Binigay niya ng napakababa. It's really cheap. It's 1,300 pesos. So, around 25 bucks. There you go. So, natikman ko na yung Shanghai ni Kuya. Napakasarap. Ano pangalan ni Kuya?
Joel.
Kuya Joel, yan, Kuya Joel. Uy, nagkalat pa kayo. Yan. So you put this sauce right here. It's a sweet, spicy. You put it in the fried chicken. This is how we do it. This is how we do it in the Philippines. There you go. Sarap. Yummy.
Yummy.
There you go. Ayan. So, yung aso, this is the Filipino native dog. There you go. Here. Yan. I'm blessed. We bless everyone. There you go. So, there you go. The iconic jeepney. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Iconic jeepney right there. Yan. So, ito papunta ng This one is going to Dasma. Going to Manila this way. But you go over there. That's the highway daw. Highway. So there you go, and this one is going to Silang in Tagaytay. So there you go. Man, third day of driving again in the Philippines. Man, it's too stressful. Too much. You need a lot of attention. Motorcycles, crazy drivers, and everyone. The big bosses, mga ganon. Uy, yun naman bigyan nyo. Nakakaawa naman bigyan nyo. Kahit may laman, yan. Order pa kayo kung gusto nyo. And then that's it, simple life in the Philippines. Ay, wala na. Ay, meron pa pala. So, love you guys. A simple food trip at Welcome Silang. Yan. God bless you guys. From Silang, Cavite to the Bay Area, San Jose. I'm on my last week in the Philippines. Short vacation lang. Babalik tayo December. We're gonna come back in December. And then we'll try to bring Gia and Jordan. Alright guys, love you guys. Peace. God bless.